What if I told you that right now, something massive is moving straight toward us? Something so large it nearly wrapped itself around the sun. No, this isn't science fiction, this isn't a movie trailer, it's happening. A colossal plasma structure has torn itself from the surface of our sun, stretched around the star like a burning serpent, and is now entering Earth's strike zone. But here's the truly terrifying part, that this storm may not be the greatest danger we face. The real threat could be the things we can't see. Asteroids hiding in the sun's blinding glare, invisible, undetectable, lurking near Venus's orbit waiting. Tonight, we are diving into the darkest corners of space, how solar storms could collapse our digital world, why the James Webb Space Telescope is forcing scientists to rewrite the story of the universe, and how two supermassive black holes, locked on a collision course 9 billion light-years away, might one day affect Earth itself. Fasten your seatbelts. This journey goes far beyond what most people are prepared to hear. It all begins on the surface of the sun. According to space weather physicist Dr. Tamitha Skov, the sun recently unleashed a filament eruption far larger than expected. This structure was so vast it didn't just explode outward, it wrapped around the sun itself. Now, that plasma storm is aimed directly at Earth. This isn't just good news for aurora photographers chasing colorful skies. Solar storms like this can disrupt radio communications, cripple GPS systems, and force airlines to reroute flights away from polar regions. Even more concerning, new active regions are rapidly growing on the far side of the sun. When they rotate into view, they could unleash M-class or even X-class solar flares, the most powerful explosions our star can produce. But solar storms aren't the most dangerous thing hiding near our sun. There's something far more insidious, asteroids concealed by sunlight. Astronomers warn that hundreds of near-Earth asteroids may be sharing Venus's orbit, trapped in a blind spot where our telescopes simply can't see them. If one of these objects suddenly altered its trajectory toward Earth, we might not detect it until it's far too late. A rock just 1,000 feet wide carries enough energy to erase an entire city from the map. Right now, NASA is closely tracking two names you might want to remember. Bennu, a carbon-rich asteroid with a calculated chance of impacting Earth in the year 2182. The odds? About 1 in 2,700. 5 times more likely than being struck by lightning. And then there's Apophis, nicknamed the god of chaos. Apophis will pass unbelievably close to Earth in 2029, closer than many satellites. Earth's gravity will be strong enough to trigger literal asteroid quakes on its surface. So, are we defenseless? Not entirely. NASA's DART mission proved that humanity can deliberately alter an asteroid's orbit by slamming a spacecraft into it. China is now developing similar planetary defense strategies. For the first time in history, we may actually have a fighting chance. Now let's go much farther away, back to the dawn of time itself. The James Webb Space Telescope, a $10 billion eye on the cosmos, is revealing things we were never supposed to see. Galaxies that existed when the universe was just 3% of its current age, yet somehow already massive, mature, and packed with ancient stars. According to existing theories, these galaxies shouldn't exist. But they do, and their existence may force scientists to rethink how the universe formed. JWST has also discovered something even stranger, a brown dwarf called VHS 1256b, a world where clouds aren't made of water vapor, but sand. On this alien world, it literally rains glass-like particles from the sky. Out in the farthest reaches of space, the universe hides true monsters. Astronomers have discovered an ultramassive black hole weighing an estimated 33 billion times the mass of our sun. So massive it could swallow entire galaxies. But the most mind-bending idea isn't black holes, it's their opposite, white holes. While black holes consume everything, white holes would eject matter outward violently. Some physicists believe the singularity inside a black hole could be a gateway to another universe, or even a wormhole. If that's true, it raises a terrifying possibility. What if our entire universe exists inside a black hole? And somewhere, 9 billion light-years away, two colossal black holes, nicknamed Andy and Guma, are spiraling toward each other. When they finally collide, the resulting gravitational waves will ripple through space-time itself. Those waves will take tens of thousands of years to reach Earth, but when they do, they will pass through every atom in your body. Space isn't just explosions and cosmic violence, it's also filled with unsettling questions. Could life have arrived on Earth through frozen biological material drifting through space, a theory known as panspermia? Could octopuses, with their alien intelligence, be the descendants of something not born on this planet? And what about fast radio bursts, intense signals blasting across the universe? Some scientists have even speculated they could be leakage from advanced civilizations using massive laser-powered light sails. The universe is both a breathtaking laboratory and a cosmic minefield, from solar storms capable of collapsing civilization to invisible asteroids hiding in plain sight. One truth remains clear. We are not as safe or as alone as we once believed, but with every discovery, we understand a little more, and in a universe this vast, knowledge may be the only real defense we have. If this made you look at the sky a little differently, hit like and subscribe, because what's coming next might be even closer.